I'm so happy you're here, and I'm sure that you are wondering how to use QuickBooks Online. I'm going to help you through this complete process of how to use every area of QuickBooks for your business. So we are going to go through the everything of QuickBooks Online. My name's Susan Hagen, and I started using QuickBooks in 1994, a long time ago. I've been a business owner for over 20 years. I am a success coach, and I also have an accounting firm that I help business owners to understand their financials and become successful. I'm an advanced pro advisor, and I'm certified in QuickBooks Online Desktop and the POS systems. I have experience in multiple accounting business models, so anything that is out there. I've worked with a lot of clients, thousands as a matter of fact, answering their questions, helping them through everything that they need to know. Now here's what our class is going to look like. This is what the information is that you're going to receive. So first, this is the introduction. We're just sitting here and I'm talking about what everything's going to look like. We're going to look at setting things up. I'm going to show you how to set up if you're using QuickBooks Desktop, how do you bring that information over and how do you bring it over safely to make sure everything comes over. If you're just starting out for the first time or if you have Excel spreadsheets that you're working with, how to actually bring all that information in. How do you bring in all your customers and your vendors? I'm going to show you how to do that. Set up quick and easy. Getting around QuickBooks. So I'm going to show you how to move around QuickBooks and easily get to the areas that you need to use. Customizing your QuickBooks. I'm going to show you how to customize your QuickBooks. When you're working with your company, there are lots of things that are distinct for you as a business owner and for your industry. So I'm going to show you how to actually set that up, even how to change the name of a customer to a client or a donor. QuickBooks Online actually does that. How to use classes. Right? I'm going to show you all those nice customizations that you can actually use to track your information for your particular company. Now, lists are very important in QuickBooks, and there are lists of customers and lists of vendors and lists of how we actually receive payments in for our invoices. These lists have certain rules, and I'm going to go over those with you so you understand them and how to fix them. If you create duplicates, how do you merge them together? If you got to edit something, how do you actually edit that information? Financials, that's why we're doing it, right? That's the reason for QuickBooks in the beginning. When we were accountants, or when I was an accountant, you had to do all of those by hand, but now QuickBooks does that for you. I'll show you the most significant of all of those. I will show you also how debits and credits work, just an overview, so that you have an understanding enough, because that's probably the biggest mistake that people make. You will have a takeaway from that as well, so you'll always have that to go back to. And then I'm going to show you the chart of accounts and how to set up accounts and sub-accounts and how they actually work. We're going to look at working with customers, so I'll show you customers. I'll show you how to set up even jobs and projects in the system, how to work with the customer center, and how to get to different areas. Included in that is setting up our products and services as well. How do you record your money coming in? I am going to show you all kinds of ways that you can bring your money in. So there's several different ways in QuickBooks that you can track even your time, charge customers for material, invoicing, sales receipts, deposits, and I'll explain exactly how those record in the system. Setting up your vendors. So I'll show you your vendor section, how you can set up your vendors. How to record money going out. And so there are different ways that you can record that in QuickBooks Online, and I'll show you the right way to do that. And then the banking area. The banking area is very important. Now I'm going to show you everything about banking as well as your bank feed area. So your reconciliation to make sure everything's correct. Your bank feeds to make sure that you are bringing all of your information from your bank feeds in correctly. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of doing that. I'm going to also show you reports. So lots of reports that I'm going to show you. I will pull some reports in during those areas where we're working with our customer, our vendors, our financials. But then I'm going to show you additional reports and how to look for those, how to customize them, how to pull them down into an Excel spreadsheet, how to even send them and set up a schedule to send your reports.